This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing facts and acting legally. Gather the phone number, last seen time, recent texts, and caller ID now. Then, if you suspect danger, call police and request a welfare check. This gives you official leverage. Make sure to preserve evidence. Take screenshots, save call logs and voicemails, and note the device IMEI or serial when available. These items will speed carrier and law enforcement cooperation. Once done, prepare authorizations for the next step. Next, you pursue technical tracing through proper channels. Contact the carrier and explain the emergency. Request last registration and cell tower ping possibilities because carriers control real-time location data. Simultaneously, check platform tools. Find My iPhone or Android Find My device if you have account access or consent. If not, secure a subpoena or signed consent form, then work with police to submit formal legal requests. These actions are necessary because only authorized entities can compel precise location data. Finish by widening the search and documenting everything. You should comb social media, recent call histories, and mutual contacts to map likely routes and sightings. Once patterns emerge, coordinate searches with police. If progress stalls, consider hiring a licensed private investigator who will request legal data and conduct interviews. Insist on lawful methods only. Make sure to keep meticulous records, follow up regularly with investigators and law enforcement, and periodically recheck accounts and carrier responses if no resolution appears. This helps catch delayed leads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.